Hey everyone, it's Michael here. I am driving and I am reflecting on my day, and I had my worst trading day of the year. And the goal is to use risk management and not revenge trade. And I did all of that. I made all the mistakes today, all the classic mistakes. All year I have been pretty much flat. But the key problem lately is I haven't been holding winning trades. I cut them at a $20 win, and the thing freaking goes up $300, $400, and today was a brutal day because we traded in ranges, and what I tried to do at the open, I knew, we were up 1.5%. And, I was thinking we could get to 2.5%. And, we started to get to 1.75, whatever it was. I bought two Friday, March 14th, 490 QQQs. And I bought them at $202 a piece. 203 rather. And I bought one same day the expiration, 485 for 100 in my other day trading account. So I had the idea that we would really just get a straight rally, a gap up and a go. And there's always the slight chance that you get a gap and then just a fade. But based off of how oversold we've been and based off of just what I was seeing out of NVIDIA and Tesla and some of the Mag 7s, I really thought that we could just get some strong continuation. And even if we did a break in a retest, which we tried to retest it, then we just failed. We ultimately just failed. And it was such a freaking hard day for me. And I could feel it in my heart. Truly, my heart is in pain. Felt like I was gonna have, not actually, but a heart attack. I'm just so fed up. And it's just the emotions of straight anger. And now there's fucking traffic here, bad fucking traffic, horrible traffic, and and that just makes it worse too. But something bad happened up there, that's for sure. Something, because it's really backed up. I can't even get onto the highway right now. Wow. Well, more time to talk until my storage is full. We'll see how long this goes, but I really want to talk about it today. And I really want to post this. That's part 2. This sucks, rush hour, man. I just gotta stay patient. Not only that, but just work sucks too. But that's a whole other conversation. It's a beautiful day out. So ultimately, I got trapped. I bought at resistance, and I tried to trade the continuation, and I got stopped out, so I lost $110. I got $150 stop out on 2 contracts. Not only that, but my $100, I also let it go down. And then that was the thing, the contracts that stopped out, instantly we kind of bought up from there. So I was even more pissed, because I was okay, well this might just be the break and retest right here. So I re-entered a contract, and I ended up losing on that. Long story short, I took so many trades today, and as a day trader, over trading is one of the biggest things you don't do. I gotta get in another lane. Fuck. I got a big truck. What is going on, dude? Wow. Oh. All right. So what happened is I saw the entire fade. So I missed. Not only did I miss the trade down, but I lost money on the long, and then we started going short, and I'm well, shit. Now we're at 455 once again. are we like breaking here? And like, I'm like, okay, well, you shouldn't trade the short at support, but like, screw it. Like, if we're gonna go fucking reject the long, like, this could get so ugly right now that I have to trade the short. Like, I don't care about what entry I have. So, like, I trade some shitty, like, same-day expirations, like 450s or something. Those go so south, you know. We get the you know, buy up there. Of course we do. Like, you know, so like, just like classic price action the entire day. Like, so simple, like, but so bad. Oh, this fucking person. Fuck you. Get off your fucking phone. This is why you look. I'm on my phone too. But here's the thing. They are on their phone and I'm trying to merge. And like, it's a good thing I'm looking at the actual driver's eyes, you know. Anyway, like, I'm at least looking at the road. But because I'm just fucking in traffic. Like, fuck this. You know, I'm going 20 miles per hour. I need to express myself. But seriously, so QQQs, I'm looking at the 15 minutes. I'm looking at every single Mag 7 chart. I'm looking at the live traders. I know what I know. And I know that, like, the bottom is kind of in, but now we're getting, like, just continuation, like, weakness. And it's playing itself out slower than I expected. And, like, it's just horrible because I just want to hit, like, a home run, and I know that's not possible, you know. So you got to hit base hits. And, you know, yesterday sucked too. Oh my God. Like, I made some $40 trades, and then it was just like, nah, you know, really got to just look at the tape here, because it's just honestly, like, horrifying. And now I gotta work, you know, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Instacart, because I just feel like I lost a shitload of money. And it just sucks because I just want it so fucking bad. And the thing is, like, I'm not there, you know, and it is what it is. You know, you try things and you fail. And, you know, I can live to tell this story and say I fucking put my heart and soul into fucking trading. And if I fail, so be it. You know, it is fucking demolished my mental health. And I just want to fucking quit investing, too. I literally want to sell every fucking holding of mine and not have to look at the fucking thing ever again. Like, that's the point I'm at. I'm just waiting for a rip, you know? And I said I would sell it all at 610, and now we're here. You know what I mean? Like, I can't do it. Like, it rips me apart. Like, I can't stomach the fact that I could be losing money. Like, and then the problem is, if I sell it, I will be so fucking angry that I sold. So, literally, from a long-term standpoint, from a trading standpoint, you cannot win. And there's manipulation and lies, and you can't swing trade trends. You can't day trade. Honestly, I can't figure out, like, how to win, you know, the game. And especially today. So, you know, we get the flush. Now it's like 11, and now we soar, right? We soar once again. And I'm like, okay, you know, so I buy some, I sell some, buy some, sell some, buy some, sell some, you know, make some cheap profits. And here's the thing. I know, you know, as a disciplined trader, I know that it's all about, like, ranges. You know, the higher you get, the lesser of a probability, you know, you start to get that squeeze. You know, you form those lower highs. And ultimately, like, that is what kind of happened. We chopped 477, 478, 479 Qs, and then we just struggle. We kept like flushing, and then you know, we would buy up, we would flush, we would buy up, and then we got so tight in a range. And I'm trading, and I, at this point, you know, this point, I took a long, I took another long. I made some money, like I said. Maybe like 40, 50, no, maybe like $75. Yeah, because I made 50 on one. I made like 20 and another 10. And then I'm like, okay, like let's and we kept holding. We kept selling, holding. So I would buy on the dip and then sell on the rip, buy again, sell, buy and sell. And it worked about, like I said, 3 times. So then the 4th time we lose the bid. And, at this point I got 2 contracts and I'm like, oh shit. So at this point, and I'm a little like over leveraged. I didn't have a stop loss. Like I had two contracts. These things were down, I don't know, $75 at this point, 75, 100 range. Now I just load the boat short. I load the boat short because I'm like, well, fuck it. I didn't cut my longs at a stop loss. And it looks like we're really just trying to flush again. And a horrible entry once again. Like I've been really good about this, not chasing trades and being so diligent, because your entry is like number 1. Number 2 is you're out. Thing is, like, if you get a good entry, and you buy 2, then you can always roll one out and then roll another out, and you end up getting, $30, $40. Like, I'm okay with that, but when I did 4, I was $40 up. And I'm just kind of, I'll just relax, trust the trade. And then it's like flat, and it's like up 5, up 10, and I'm like, oh shit. I should have sold 1 or 2 or 3 when I was up, and now I'm down on my long and I'm down on my short. So now we're in the middle of the range, and I'm just like, what have I done? What have I done? So now we're in the middle of the range. I cut a long and then I cut a short. So I'm like, okay. I just took a $50 loss on my long. I took a $50 loss on my short. Okay. So now we are long 1, short 3, and then the short starts to work itself out. And then I think I cut another one at like a $30 loss, and then I ended up, cutting another one at a break even, and another one like a $10 loss. And then at this point I'm still in the long. So it's good. I cut both sides because at that point we were in the middle of the range. I had no idea if we were gonna you know what I mean? Like, you don't know. You just don't know when you're in the middle of the range there. And that was the problem. That's why you have to get a good entry, and you have to set a stop loss. Otherwise, that's it. And the thing is, you don't want to set tight stop losses, and if you set a large stop loss, then you're pissed because you took a bigger loss. And that's what happened to start the day. I'm FOMOing in. And not only do I not take a 30, it was like, a $30 winner at the time. If I cut the 2 and cut the 1, that would be a $70, like $60 winner. Oh, and by the way, I didn't even mention to you guys, then I YOLO'd, 3 $30 contracts. And, those went to 20 and I cut those. So, I didn't do so bad in Robinhood. I lost, $60, and then I reloaded a short on the low, lost 20, 30 on that. So I only lost $90 in Robinhood, only. On the year, I'm down 200. So not bad, but not profitable, right? At the end of the day, you're not winning. If you want this to be full time, then you have to win. Simple as that. And yeah, so Robinhood down 90. Like I said, I lost 110 on the Qs. Oh, I didn't even mention you guys when I revenge traded the long, because I got stopped out at 150. So I saw we were at 168 printing. So I enter a new contract long. I see that we're having lots and lots of trouble wicking there. So I got so freaking lucky to get a limit out at 300. This other contract, because that thing went all the way to like 100. You know what I mean? So I was playing with hard fire, but I knew I had to get out. I was not getting a market out because at that point, you know, I was break even. So my whole thing was, I just lost 115. I want to get 15 back, so it was an even 100 loss on the day. And you know, my idiot ass really just could not stop. You know, I could not stop trading today. So I mean, this was, you know, over trading 1, 2 revenge trading 3, FOMOing in 4, not taking a winner when I had a winner. I had so many opportunities to cut my winners. So many, like I would have been up another, you know, gosh, not only the 70, but plus all the losers. So really, like, it could have been a nice and simple day of like probably, you know, break even. And, you know, I'm a small position size guy, and I know sharks that do this or whales that, you know, will trade 10, 20 contracts. I mean, you know, it is what it is. And the thing is too, like, then I'm like, all right, let me try to swing something like a day trade swing on some cues at the end of the day. I said, I'm just gonna swing some March 21st here. We're doing a little bit of pinballs. I'm gonna try to get an end of the day, like, you know, I really thought Power Hour. I really thought that Power Hour that we were gonna get like an absolute banger, you know, upside move, like an imbalance or something. I did not want to miss that. That's the thing. I've missed so many fucking good trades this year that that was kind of my thing today. It was like, I have to fucking get this trade. Like, I have to. And it's just, and it's not even about like a lack mindset of like, you know, like I need this. It was just like, I want this. Like, I really just want to nail this. And the fact that it didn't happen, it's just devastating. So, you know, I cut my Robinhood hedge. I even tried to IWM call, and that one sucked too. I got a horrible fill, you know, 60 fill on the top of the range, pulled back all the way to 45s. I was like, all right, we're gonna keep going, you know, day highs here. And then IWM's not following suit. You know, we're at, gosh, I don't even know, 201.50. Jeez, these drivers. And then frickin', you know, we're getting stuck. You know, 479.50s Qs. We go up. IWM's not even moving, so I get the hell out of that thing at a $10 loss. I end up, you know, taking a $10 loss at the thing. Thing goes to 95, so I could have taken a $35 winner. You know what I'm saying? Like, again, we're trading minis same days out of the monies, but like, you know, at the end of the day, like, that was a loser that could have been a winner. So like, I'm breaking these people. I'm breaking down like all of these trades for y'all. Like, dead ass horrible day. You know, I end up only losing 90 in Robinhood. I end up only losing, somehow only lost 200 in my Schwab, which, well, liquidated. I'm down 100 on 2 others actually. So yeah, honestly, like pretty much a $300, $400 like loss day. And that's getting up there, you know. It doesn't hurt too bad because, you know, I felt like I really just put it out on the line, you know, and the other day trader guys are like, yeah, we lost like a tire and a half, whatever that means. What's that, like 100 a tire? I don't know. Or percentage and a half. It's funny because my risky portfolio that I didn't touch today was up 2%, and I was down 0.6% in my other portfolio. And yeah, my forehead's just starting to kill. Like, I can just feel all the pain. And shit, we just did a 20-minute podcast here on trading. So, yeah, people, don't do it. It's not worth it. Well, it is worth it. It just fucking sucks so bad. Shit, you know, you can watch all the videos you want and do all the things. I don't know. I just don't. I don't know how these guys are making $500 to $1,000 to more like a day, you know. You just got to catch the right timings. I mean, like, you catch the bottom today on Tesla, you know, you're getting 241s all the way to 250. I mean, that's a banger, you know what I mean? Like, you get some good opportunities. You just have to, like, take it by the teeth and run with it. So I'm right there. It's just a matter of, like, shit, I'm not, you know, like Nvidia pulled back to 113s and you could have gone 113 to 115. You know, I did a revenge trade Nvidia at the end of the day, and I did make like $15, $20 now that I think about it. That was actually a good one, right? And I did a revenge trade a NASDAQ, and I did make $15. So, like, that's what I'm saying. Like, I had some good plays at the end of the day that you know, kept me break-even-ish at the end of the day. But it's not even enough, you know, because of the 110 loser in the morning, and then the other 110 loser in the afternoon on the puts. So I did honestly mitigate my losses, and I'm happy to say that I only lost 100 on that trade and 100 on the other trade, and maybe, you know, 30, 40 is on the others, and then like 10s on the others. So at the end of the day, like, I only had 2 really horrible trades, but the fact that, like, I don't even see, you know, the 100 winner, you know. I get a banger on Nvidia yesterday, you know, make 60, and it's like, oh, you know, I should have bought more, and I could have, you know, kept it longer. I can't even imagine. I didn't look at the contract. I cut it at 110 yesterday at high a day. You know, we get to 115's print today, and I'm thinking, damn, that thing probably freaking, you know, 2x'd, you know, and my Palantir also. But hindsight's 2020. You know, holding things overnight is even worse. So, especially when there's 3 days of expiration. But anyway, thanks for listening, everyone. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna try to share my screen also and show you guys all this. So, alrighty. Peace.